Hello everyone, my name is Sheila Chandawali and I'm the product manager for Find It Technology. Now here at Find It, we have realized that the pandemic is propelling a shift towards a digital society. That is why we bring to you Workit. Workit is a company management system that helps you to manage your employees, HR, payroll, finances, marketing, you name it. We call it a one app fits all. Now with Workit, you don't have to work hard, but smarter. Now Workit comes with a range of products that automatically sync data to create an interoperable ecosystem. Products such as hotel management system, pharmacy management system, school management system, bulk SMS system, and a lot more. So what are some of the benefits of using Workit? Number one, Workit saves you time and money, meaning you are able to work remotely and be able to connect with your employees or your co-workers, thereby increasing efficiency and productivity of your company. Secondly, it is a great marketing tool. So if you're running a social media campaign, an email campaign, or a bulk SMS campaign, Workit is the tool that you want to use. For instance, if you're running a social media campaign and you want to do live videos, Workit gives you the opportunity to connect with your audience by posting live videos on different social media platforms. That is something that is really great. Last but not the least, Workit is a one app fits all. Like I mentioned earlier, it connects very well with different other products. So if you're looking for broadcasting, Workit is just a tool that you really want to use. So I'm going to let my colleague Joseph take us through the product demo so that we can have a look at how Workit works.
Since I have an account, if you're having any problems with Workit, you can check the documentation. If you want to see the prices, you can see the pricing. So let's get started. So I'll log in my account. It's loading. Yeah, so this is the dashboard. So in the dashboard, the first thing you'll see is your tasks, your projects, your clients, your pending projects, your total projects, your invoices, company. So this is where you see your overview of the company. But sometimes, you don't want to information. So on your right hand side, you can see there's a cog there. Once you click it, it will show you the dashboard widgets. So this dashboard widgets, you can uncheck some of the cogs here. So maybe I don't want to see pending tasks. If I click it and the save, automatically unpending task won't be able to show on the dashboard. So that's how it works. So as you can see, unpending tasks, it's not there. Yeah. So on the dashboard, just gives you an overview of how your company is performing. Then there is the project dashboard. Just gives you an overview of the project dashboard, client dashboard, HR dashboard, ticket dashboard, and also a finance dashboard. So this gives you an overview of the finances. And then there's also a client dashboard. So this is where you add and remove clients. So if you have clients, you can add them there, and then the progress of the project and all that. You have the HR. So this is where all the HR work is done. So you have employee list, you have department, you have designation, you have attendancy, you have holiday, you have leaves. So somebody can apply for a leave. Then you have work. So in work, you can see there's contracts, there's projects, there's tasks. There's also a task board. There's also a task calendar. There's also a time log. So in finances, you can see there's estimates. You can send estimates to your clients. There's invoices. You can send invoices to your clients. There's recurring invoices. There's also payment. There's payments. The payments that you have received from your clients. There's also expenses recurring, and also credit notes. There's also products. So in products, this is where you add. If your company offers any products, this is where you add your products. Then there's also tickets. So tickets, this provides the support to your clients. You can issue any tickets. There's also messages. This is where this is an internal inbuilt messages in Workit. So you can text in your employees, you can message your clients, just different. There's also events. So in events, these are events that happen in your company. So there's also notes. This is more like a notes board. So this is where add in notice for your employees and for everybody in your board or everybody in the company. Reports. So this just gives you a total view of how your company performed last month. How so this helps you, to make decisions. So there's a task report, how you're performing in terms of tasks. There's time log report, there's finance report, there's income versus expense report, which is more of like a profit loss account. And then there's also a leave report, and there's also attendance report. So on billing, this has to do with Workit. This is where you pay your monthly payments to Workit. There's payroll. So this payroll just gives you the overview of the payroll. So this is know that. There's frequently asked questions. You can add your frequently asked questions. So maybe you have questions that have been asked in the company most frequently. So you can add that for your employees and also for the admin. You have settings. So in settings, this is where you just customize the system to fit your needs. So if I happen not to these profile settings is where I can change my logo. So I can change this logo, so it's not only just for Workit. I can put for I can add my company logo, change the names in change the currency. If I want to use USD, I can use USD, time formats, and just different stuff I can do. So there's profile, there's notification, there's currency, there's theme settings. So I just want to show you what's cool about the theme settings. So maybe you don't like this theme, your company do have just a theme that they want to use. So you can so this is a default theme, so you can just click on use a custom theme. So automatically it will show me a custom theme. This is a custom theme. I can customize it. So maybe I want the sidebar, I want it also to be in a dark color, just like that. I think you get an idea. You can customize it to look the way you want it to be. So you have two accounts. You have an admin panel, you have also employee panel, and you also have the client panel. So you do have these default accounts. They'll show differently. So for employee, they have their own theme, and also the client, they have their own theme, but you can also make it the same. So basically it's very customizable. You have payments credentials, you have finance settings, you have tickets, projects, attendance, leaves, custom, or some module settings. Maybe you don't want to see some of the modules. So these are like features. So you have maybe you say you don't want to see the client features. Maybe you don't company, you don't deal with clients. You have events, you don't want to see the event module. You can just mark that out. So that's how you do it. So let's go back. Then you have roles and permissions. So this is where you can create. Maybe you have an accountant in your company. You can still create that. So you want this message settings, time log settings, task settings, and payroll settings. So that's it in about the settings. And so this is the overall. So this account shows you the pro, just the pro package, but I'll show you the ultimate package. So this comes with the pro package orders, the marketing tool. So let's go to the marketing tool. So this is the dashboard for the marketing tool. We just logged in, and you can see this gives you an overview of how you're performing in terms of your market, and the subscribers you've had, marketing campaigns, just gives you an overview of how you're performing. This is the main dashboard. The subscribers, last auto reply, so auto replies that you've had. So if you want to get started, you have the dashboard. Then you can import in your accounts. So you can import in your LinkedIn, your Facebook account, your Instagram accounts. You can import them there, and just be able to manage all those pages that you have. Then this comment feature. This is our comment features. So the comment feature, which is comment growth, just helps you out to grow your comments. just commenting, you have, auto comments and all that. Subscribers, this is where you manage your subscribers. Then there's a messenger bot. So this is where you can create messenger bots, and then maintain their flow with visual flow. So this is a visual flow builder. It's just builds those conversations that you want to have with the bot. And broadcasting, broadcasting just helps you to distribute all your content through different social media platforms. It's just it's a one-time click. There's an e-commerce. So with e-commerce, it's just you can build in a you have a company that you sell some products online. You can use this feature to sell those products online. You have maybe a restaurant. You can use this same e-commerce feature to do that. You have also the social media posting. So in social media posting, this just helps you out to post from different media houses. So you see there's multimedia posting, there's CTA, there's video posting, there's also Facebook live streaming. So you can pre-record a video and just post it as a live video on Facebook. So most media stations do that. And then there's also Instagram. You can post in the Instagram posts. So you can just this is like just divisions. If you want just the text post, an image post, a video post, link post, and HTML post, and also so Workit is not just limited to social media. You can post in even to your websites. If you have a WordPress website, you can use Workit for that. Search tool. So this search tool just helps you in terms of market research. You have a research on so it just helps you with that. So you can see there's website comparison. There's also hashtag research. Yeah, so this is just an overview of Workit marketing tool. It's a really powerful tool in terms of marketing. So it just helps you out with your marketing. Okay, so thank you very much, and I'll leave it up to Sheila.
Thank you so much for watching our launch video. This has been Sheila Chandawali together with my colleague Joseph Malenga Chipimo on the product demo presentation. Thank you so much for watching. Please get started by visiting www.workit.co.za and get started to work smarter.